In just 1 minute, I want to show you guys one of the best ways to create an outstanding CV that can win you any job you want to enroll in 2024. If you're new to this channel, I am KidCast and you're highly welcome. And on this channel, we do upload highly informative content about making money online, business ideas, business strategies, skills development, and how to optimize artificial intelligence in making money online. So if you're actually interested in these topics, kindly subscribe so as not to miss out on our highly informative content. And now moving on to the main idea for today's video, which is how to write a CV that can actually win you whatever job you might want to enroll in the entire globe. To simply do this, you want to go to your search browser and then you want to type in Canva. So you want to type in Canva too, and then you want to go to the site Canva. I'm going to drop the link in the description of the video so you guys can easily go there. Now, once you go to Canva, you basically want to create an account. You can just come here to sign up or just continue with your Google account. So to sign up, you just want to click on sign up and then you create your account. Now, once you've created your account, you'll be brought to the main homepage of Canva. Now, what you want to do to create your CV is to simply come here to create a design. Once you click on create a design, you simply want to input resume. Now, once you input resume, you want to click on the first one that comes out. Now it's going to take you to the main design page. Now as you guys can see on the left hand side, we have several CVs over here. Now instead of you going on the web to download CVs or to pay money to actually get the nice CVs, all you want to do is to search for a CV that you're very okay with. For example, we select this one, and as you guys can see, once I zoom in, we can see a very nice CV. Now all you want to do is to simply edit it and add all your details. Now, same thing applies to other CV designs over here. We have several options you can select from. All you simply want to do is to select the one you're okay with, and then you want to edit it. For example, I can change this to KidCast or Kisinton, which is my main surname. And then I can as well change this to my main first name. And then you just want to drag this out in case your words are actually long. And then you can insert your main job title over here and about yourself, as well as experiences, contact, mail, and where you are in the entire globe. Now, in case you don't have an idea on what to write exactly on your CV, you can simply go to ChatGPT. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. You want to open an account with ChatGPT by going to chat.openai.com. Now, once you go to this site, you simply want to click on sign up. You click on sign up, and to make things faster, you basically want to click on continue with Google account. So automatically it's going to connect your Google account and make things faster for you to actually log into ChatGPT. Now once you're in, like I said, in case you don't know what exactly to write in your CV, you just want to ask ChatGPT to write you what you want. For example, let's say I'm an expert or a professional engineer in something. All you simply want to do is to ask ChatGPT to write me a nice CV about a chemical engineer. Now, as you guys can see, ChatGPT is going to give you a very nice detail. You simply want to look at these and then adjust based on what you feel you've actually done in your career journey. And if you scroll down, you can see ChatGPT already created a particular topic for you or a particular thing you did in your career. For example, research assistant. And then it inserted the start date as well as the end date. So you can as well adjust based on whatever ChatGPT provided for you. And then you want to do this by inserting it here in Canva. And now once you're done with the CV design, you simply want to come here to share. And then you want to come to download over here. Simply leave it at PDF standard. And if you don't want it as PDF, you can as well select from other options over here. But once you've selected what you want, you simply want to click on download. And as you guys can see, it's going to download for you. And now you can start applying for whatever job you're interested in. It's that easy. You simply just want to go to Canva and then search for the CV design you're okay with. And simply edit it based on whatever thing you've done in your entire career journey. And that's simply it. And that is how you can actually create a very nice resume that can win you any job in the entire globe. If you surely learned a lot from today's video, kindly subscribe if you still haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video and also share. and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.